Hi, friends. Who doesn't want simple and minimalistic ways to make their home look richer and luxurious? Yes, here I am giving you some of the simple and minimalistic ways to make your home look richer and more luxurious without spending more money on that. Viva Interior Tips, where we will provide you information regarding interiors and construction. First point is furniture. Furniture is not just about filling room, it's about creating comfort, style and a better way of living. House looks luxurious when you follow 60 by 40 rule. That means decorate any room with only 60% furniture and keep the rest 40% empty. This makes the room or hall to look very spacious. Suppose if you already have everything set, you can start decluttering things, giving space only for what actually useful for you. Clean and neat house always represents luxury in its own way. Remove extra items from surfaces, keep only what adds value or beauty. A clean space instantly feels premium. Next is how to select design of sofas. Usually, sofa with curved design gives elegant and spacious look to the area where they have kept. Sleek legged sofas will give a modern and luxurious look. Avoid bulky sofas as much as possible. Wardrobe designs. Go for trendy, different, updated designs and don't stick to the old traditional designs that are available already in the market. There are so many new shades and patterns of laminates are available in the market for wardrobes nowadays. Colors like Ardi tone, that is nothing but sage green and mocha brown, calming pastel shades, and luxurious deep hues are latest trends in 2026. Light shades gives royal and modern look. So, in order that your home should look luxurious, go for light shades, and even the calming pastel shades do well with this concept. Coming to the accessories part, that is the handles. Use sleek and long handles. They give modern and classy look compared to the short handles. And now there are so many colors are also available in the handles, so you can choose different colors of handles like rose gold or silver color to match the color of the wall. We have uploaded about different patterns and shades of executed wardrobe work for your reference in our previous videos. Next is curtains. The length of your curtains can make or break the perceived value of your space. While short curtain serves a basic functional purpose, long floor to ceiling drapes are the ultimate secret to achieve a rich, luxurious aesthetic. Swapping out short window treatments for long flowing fabric instantly upgrades your design. So conclusion is long curtains are more advantageous in giving you a premium look compared to short curtains. They increases luxury. Wall art is one of the simplest yet most powerful ways to make a home feel richer, more redefined, and thoughtfully designed. It doesn't just fill empty walls, it elevates the entire space. Strategically placed art, especially lighter tones or larger pieces, can make a room feel more open and lively, enhancing the overall ambience. So it makes the space to feel very larger and brighter. They add more beauty to your home provided if you use it strategically. It's not necessary to fill all the walls of the room or hall with paintings and artworks. You have to plan it very strategically. Don't overcrowd walls. One strong piece of art is often more powerful than many small random ones. Quality and placement matters more than quantity. Next is plants, indoor plants. Plants don't just decorate a home, they quietly upgrade how it feels. A space with greenery often looks more expensive, calm, and well designed without adding heavy cost. So plants always brings royal look inside the home. Usually green works with almost every color. Whether your wall or interiors colors are white, beige, wood, gray, or even bold tones. Green always softens the space and brings harmony without any effort. And very important point is don't randomly place the plants everywhere. Choose 2 to 4 well positioned plants, corner, side tables or near window instead of overcrowding. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel for more information on interiors and construction. Just a recap again. Points to increase the luxury of a home are furniture, wardrobe design, wardrobe handles. Fourth one is curtains. Fifth one is wall art, and sixth one is plants. So you choose wisely and decorate your home. Happy decorating.